Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming your Google account and any two-step verification so sign-in goes smoothly. Once done, download the drive for desktop installer that matches Windows or Mac OS and save it. While that downloads, create or pick the desktop folder you want Drive to mirror so file placement is predictable. Make sure other cloud sync apps are closed to avoid conflicts, and have your Google password or authenticator ready. This reduces interruptions when the installer requests permission. Run the installer and accept permissions so Drive can create a desktop shortcut and run at startup. Next, choose whether to stream files to save local disk space or mirror them for offline use. Pick specific My Drive folders to sync instead of everything to control local usage. Configure bandwidth limits if your network is limited and enter proxy details if on a managed network. Finally, ensure the desktop shortcut is enabled so you can open Drive directly from your desktop. After configuration, confirm the Drive icon in the system tray shows a green check for completion or blue arrows while syncing. If items aren't appearing on the desktop, check account permissions, available disk space, and whether the correct folders were selected. You can pause and resume sync or restart the Drive app to prompt updates. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, clear Drive's cache from settings, and then reboot. This sequence fixes most stubborn sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.